Hi friends, today I'm here to share with you this new weighted blanket that I just received from Amazon to show you. Came in this bag and have this beautiful message, sleep in a hug. This is a weighted blanket that you can use to have a better sleep. Came in this bag, as I say, and compress it in this another. I'm gonna use this knife too. It's really weighted. So this is the blanket. This is great, as you can see. Have a solid color in the two sides of the blanket. This is the size. The material is so soft. It's high quality. I can see it. And the idea of this weighted blanket is that you can use it to have a better sleep because the weight help you to have a better quality of your sleep. So I highly recommend it to try it. The weight is perfect. It's not too much. I feel the weight so comfortable, and I love the feeling that I have with my skin. So if you need something like this, I highly recommend it this weighted blanket. See you.